Ah yes, Airbus. It's got its good moments and its bad moments. So today I'll be ranking them. Well, worst to best. So you already get the point. Okay, so I don't know where Airbus A300 is. I don't actually think they even added one because it said commercial, because it said airliner. But anyways, we'll start with A310 instead. B tier. It's okay, it's just, well, why does it feel smaller than the A300? Okay, yeah, okay, so, everyone knows this. It's the baby bus. You know, the baby Gaga version of the A320. Yeah. A tier. Alright. A330. Wait, aren't they? I'm checking if these are the same. They just look the exactly same, but they numbered it. We numbered it. It's fine. Alright, A330 to 100. B tier. A340. Oh my goodness, what? This should not exist. Why did they even think of making this? C tier. I would have put it in F tier, but I guess this couldn't go in F tier. Technically. Oh, you know what? Just put it in D tier. Technically the worst one here. Alright. Next is A319. B tier. A330. Yeah. Yeah, A320, honestly, most classic one of them. A. Yep. There we go. No. Yeah, you already know what I'm gonna do. S tier. Now, there's not anything else. There's no variations. Though I wish they added a KC tanker or something. Yeah, this was only 2 minutes, but... Oh yeah, by the way, Technoblade never dies.